Hello everyone and welcome to another video. I know it's been a long time, but here I am again, and today we're making olive tadjine. So to know how to make an olive tadjine, keep on watching. To make this recipe we need green olives. I have 2 cups in here. We also need some chicken. I have a chicken thigh and a chicken breast that I chopped earlier. We also need some garlic. I have 3 cloves in here, an onion, a tomato, and some parsley. Last but not least, we need some cream cheese. I use this brand, but you can use any type you like. To start off with, I melted a knob of butter and some oil in a hot pan like this. To that, I am going to add the onion. I have half an onion here, roughly half an onion. And I'm going to add half of the amount of the garlic, that is like 2 cloves. And to that I will add the chicken. I used chicken thigh, but you can use any piece of chicken. I just used what I had. And then season everything with some black pepper and salt. I must admit I didn't use any salt in this recipe because the olives are quite salty and the cheese is salty as well. So once your onion and garlic are caramelized, you can go ahead and add your tomato that is finely grated. And then once you stir everything together, add your water. You must cover the chicken so that it cooks. Stir everything together, cover it, and let it cook. Right, now it's time for the chicken. I have a chicken breast chopped and ready in the food processor. To that, I am going to add some garlic, the rest of the garlic, and then add some parsley. You don't have to chop your parsley, just chuck it in there and the food processor will do the job for you. And then add some black pepper and salt to taste. I didn't add any salt again because of the olives and the cheese. How funny, I'm struggling with the food processor, but I will get there eventually. Right, so just process everything together to form a paste, okay? And then use some water to form the balls here, like that. The reason why I use the water is that the chicken will stick to your hands, so you have to damp your hands with some water and then do as I'm doing here. This will make your life a lot easier, and that's it. So for the sauce, I have strained the sauce because we don't need the onion and the garlic to appear in the sauce. The sauce is going to be creamy, dreamy, and then add some water to it. At this point, you want to add your olives. Add your olives and let it cook. The moment of truth. The olives have cooked and now we are going to add our chicken. I have to say you need to add your chicken the very last because it doesn't take a lot to cook, and certainly you don't want it dry, so add it at the very end. I forgot to say that I pre-boiled the olives to get rid of any saltiness and bitterness, because the olives tend to have this saltiness that can ruin the flavor of your dish, so please make sure you do that as well. Right, now that our olives and chicken have cooked, it's time to add the cream cheese. It will instantly melt like this. Just mix everything together so that it will marry and combine and make this delicious, amazing flavor. You don't really need any cooking in here. Just mix everything together, and then it's ready to be served. You can eat it with some rice, you can eat it with some pasta, or just a piece of bread. This recipe is literally life-saving and it's so delicious. I hope you would like this recipe, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe. Support my channel. I love you so much. Ramadan Kareem, and I shall see you next time. Bye bye.